Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating connection between psychology and money management. In this video, you'll learn practical psychological hacks to help you control your spending and boost your savings. Whether you're aiming to get out of debt or simply want to be more mindful with your money, these tips can make a big difference. Stick around till the end for some actionable advice that you won't want to miss. 1. The conscious spending plan. A conscious spending plan is all about prioritizing your spending on things that truly matter to you. Instead of cutting out all the fun, focus on reducing expenses that don't add value to your life. This way, you can still enjoy life while saving money on unnecessary purchases. 2. The 30-day rule. Instead of making an impulsive purchase, wait 30 days. If you still want the item after the waiting period, consider buying it. This rule helps to prevent impulse buys and gives you time to evaluate whether you truly need or want the item. 3. The LAT factor. The LAT factor suggests that small daily expenses, like your morning coffee, can add up over time. By cutting out or reducing these small, habitual purchases, you can save a significant amount of money. Track your daily expenses for a week and see where you can make small adjustments. 4. The envelope system. Similar to the previous technique, the envelope system involves setting aside specific amounts of cash for different spending categories. Once the envelope is empty, you can't spend more in that category for the month. It's a great way to stay disciplined with your budget. 5. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each payday. This set-it-and-forget-it approach takes the decision-making out of the equation, ensuring you consistently save a portion of your income. The less you have to think about it, the easier it becomes to build up your savings over time. 6. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings by setting up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account right after you get paid. This strategy ensures that saving becomes a priority rather than an afterthought, helping you build a financial cushion effortlessly. 7. Tracking small expenses. Those small, seemingly insignificant expenses can add up quickly. By keeping track of every little purchase, like snacks or coffee, you can identify areas where you're spending more than you realize. This awareness can help you make better financial choices. 8. Leverage technology for budgeting. Use budgeting tools and apps to gain insights into your spending habits. These tools can help you see where your money goes and highlight areas where you can cut back. By having a clear overview